Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a quote in Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and navigate to the dashboard. Next, click on the Sales tab at the top of your screen. Under this section, select Quotes to view any existing quotes. To create a new quote, click the Create New Quote button in the top right corner. This will open a form where you can enter all the necessary details. Start by selecting the customer name, then enter the quote number, followed by the quote date and expiry date. Next, add the item details, including product or service descriptions, quantities, unit prices, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Be thorough to ensure clarity for both your records and your customer. Once you've reviewed all the information, click Save and Send. This will save the quote in Zoho Books and give you the option to send it directly to your customer via email. And that's it. You've successfully created a quote in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.